Guys, how you guys doing? What's going on? This is a quick video for the Dow. Risk on, risk off. What a day it was. It was a big amazing day. A lot of things have happened. It's a lot of chaos, The volume is extraordinary. It's one of the top maybe 20 for 2020. So it was the distribution for sure. A lot of smart money sold today. So many. If it's too easy to be true, it is too easy to be true. What is a blow off top? A blow off top usually happens when you make a new high, then you make this kind of candles, total rejection, and you close inside inside the previous range with high volume. Okay, so this is the Dow Industrial. This is the monthly, so we could see the inside. So this was the all-time high. It was 29. Okay, 29,568. We closed at this. So we are not in all-time high anymore. This was 29,568. Now the close is 29,157. So what's a blow off top? Blow off top, go to all-time high, you close back in with high volume. You must open red next day. So what's bearish for the market now inside of the Bollinger Band, I put in my Bollinger strategy, which I discovered without anybody told me about it. When the moving the MACD is very tight like this one, the Bollinger Band is in play. So it is in play. It rallied beyond the Bollinger Band and closed inside. This is bad. This is extremely bad with extreme high volume with euphoric time. It's absolutely bad. Good. So you understand that. So if you guys remember the Dow theory, the confirmation, this is the Dow and transport. Remember the old videos? Kareem and Abdul-Jabbar will remember that. The two people that I know. You still are in breakout mode in not really, but you made higher high in the Dow transport, and you're still in breakout mode. Okay, yet in the Dow you're not. So this non-confirmation, good. So bearish action, a possibility of blow off top, non-confirmation with the Dow transports. Okay, IWM, the same thing. IWM, where is you? So this is an ugly candle and closed in the black. Usually when you close in the black, something bad happened. Let me show you what happened in TLT when I was screaming at that time, the sky is falling, before the previous meltdown. Good. I don't want to be the person that bears bad news. Okay, so this is TLT. The day was March 9th. See how ugly that candle was? That was a blow off top. Let's see the volume. I hope you guys get, familiarized with what I say. And I would every time somebody tells me that I help that person, I really feel happy. So this is the blow off top with high volume, TLT, and nothing but ugliness came. Okay, good. Okay, so we talked about the possibility of blow off top. We talked about the non-confirmation in Dow theory with the Dow transport. Good deal. Now this is the risk off with TLT. You have you are in breakdown mode, yet you are in a very bullish, absolutely bullish candle that needs confirmation. What's going against this formation? First of all, you have the death cross. This is the 50-day moving average right here. This is the 200-day moving average. This is TLT. Usually when these bad boys cross, something really bad happens. So that's first. Second, you have a breakdown mode. This is the trading range. The low since June 2020. This was I'd say 9th of June. So if this was your trading range, you are in breakdown mode. It's very easy, and you are in a bearish crossover in the TLT, and always something bad happen when you do this stuff. You could back test it. So why do I care about TLT? And I always talk about the possibility of re-evaluation of the market. There is always a negative relationship, a negative correlation between interest rate and PEs. See, the stock market is not only about the economy. It's about the cost of money, the availability of liquidity. If you have a lot of liquidity, I don't care if you're going through depression, you will have a PE expansion to the upside. So if you have negative PE, you're gonna have negative interest rate. You're gonna have a PE expansion to the moon. So if TLT, which represent the bond market, goes down, that means the yields go up. It will affect valuation. I don't know the future, but this is how this concept works. Capisce? Good deal. So I talked about the possibility of blow off top. I talked about the non-confirmation. I talked about IWM. I talked about TLT. Even Apple, which is a market leader, did not participate in the rally. This is a high, lower high, and lower high need to be confirmed. If you break this low, you're gonna have another low. Okay, bearish engulfing that came with Hanging Man, a bearish advanced block. As I mentioned, this is a bearish formation that came with a Hanging Man with a bearish Rami. Now you have a bearish engulfing. Let's look at the volume. See the participation. It's not significant, but usually you would want a healthy rally. You would want the tech companies to be in the leadership. You want the smaller companies, the IWM, Russell 2000 to be in leadership. You want confirmation with Dow and Dow Transports. You would want bullish actions in the Dow. You always must get nervous every time you go to a new all-time high and some bearishness happen. You must be nervous. You always should be nervous. It's always a time of trend change. It happened here also when you made an all-time high. Let's see, when was that? Let's look at. Let me expand it more. And after that, bad things happen. When you got bearish at that time, this was the all-time high. You can see it. Get it closer. See, this was the all-time high. And when you got bearish, bad things happen. So a lot of things happen close to the all-time high. And I can expand this bad boy even further to see it even back in 2019. Okay, so you had even all-time high here in 2019, and bad things happen. And also in 2018, Feb 2018. So I'm not trying to put the fear of God into you guys, but I'm just... I really thought I have to let you guys know what happened. A possibility of blow off top. It got me really nervous. I wish you guys the very best. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'm gonna post the the dollar after that one. And this goes from